ETH going to $5,500 by mid-October, says Fundstrat's global head of technical strategy. Mark Newton sees Ether dips toward $4,375 as buying opportunities before a rally, while recent trading shows heavy selling, sharp rebounds, and a key support test. According to CoinDesk Data, Ether, ETH, traded at $4,506, down 0.5% in the past 24-hour period, as of 12:24 Universal Time Coordinated on September 16th, slipping slightly in the past 24 hours as traders debate whether this pullback will set up the next rally. Mark Newton, global head of technical strategy at Fundstrat Global Advisors, described the decline as the correction the market missed last week. He does not expect Ether to fall below its prior low of $4,233. Instead, he sees possible dips to $4,418 or $4,375 by week's end, levels he calls buying opportunities. Newton projects Ether could climb to $5,500 by mid-October, pointing to continued market strength. According to CoinDesk Research's technical analysis data model, Ether lost about 3% during September 15th's trading window, dropping from a peak of $4,619 to around $4,500. The steepest slide occurred between 7 o'clock and 8 o'clock Universal Time Coordinated, when prices fell sharply from $4,632 to $4,514. Trading activity surged during that period, with volume more than doubling the daily average of 194,000 units and total turnover for the session reaching 501,741 units. After touching a low of $4,471, buyers stepped in to slow the decline. That level has served as a short-term floor. On the upside, Ether struggled to move past $4,671, which has acted as a ceiling. Later in the session, between 2300 hours Universal Time Coordinated on September 15th and midnight UTC on September 16th, prices steadied. Ether edged up from $4,497 to $4,505 and narrowed into a tight band between $4,479 and $4,505. Buyer interest around $4,490 to $4,495 helped stabilize the market, but the token could not reclaim $4,530, showing sellers still had control at higher levels. In total, the trading window covered a $200 range between $4,471 and $4,671, underscoring heightened uncertainty. The data shows Ether beginning to stabilize after the sharp drop, with demand visible at lower levels but strong resistance capping near-term gains. The most recent CoinDesk Data chart, generated at 12:24 Universal Time Coordinated on September 16th, shows Ether holding near $4,506 after a turbulent day. The token remains boxed between its $4,471 floor and $4,671 ceiling, with little progress in breaking higher. Trading over the past 12 hours has tilted toward consolidation, signaling the market may be waiting for the next catalyst after Monday's heavy sell-off.